Welcome to the amazing world of CNC machines, where modern technology meets precision manufacturing. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, a smart system that controls machines using computer programming. Today, CNC machines are widely used in woodworking, furniture production, metal cutting, and many industrial factories around the world. The CNC process starts with a digital design. Designers create a model using CAD software, also known as CAD numerical control. This design is then converted into machine instructions called G-code. The G-code tells the CNC machine exactly where to move, how fast to cut, and what shape to create. Once the program is loaded, the machine begins its automatic operation. The cutting tool moves smoothly in different directions with incredible accuracy. CNC machines can perform cutting, drilling, carving, engraving, shaping, and milling with very little human effort. In woodworking factories, CNC routers are commonly used to create furniture ports, cabinets, doors, decorative wall panels, and custom wood designs. The machine can cut complex patterns that would be very difficult to make by hand. Every cut is clean, smooth, and perfectly measured. One of the biggest advantages of CNC technology is precision. The machine can repeat the same design hundreds of times without losing quality. This makes CNC machines perfect for mass production and modern manufacturing industries. Another major benefit is speed. A project that normally takes hours with manual tools can be completed in a much shorter time using a CNC machine. This increases productivity and helps factories save time and labor costs. Safety is also improved because operators do not need to directly handle sharp cutting tools during the process. The machine performs most of the dangerous work automatically, reducing the risk of accidents. There are many different types of CNC machines, including CNC routers, CNC milling machines, laser cutting machines, plasma cutters, and engraving machines. Each type is designed for specific industrial tasks, but all work using computer-controlled automation. Today, CNC technology is an essential part of modern production. From small